Name is menstrual cycle. We are explaining the menstrual cycle using a graph as well as working mechanism. The LED glowing is representing an egg. The egg will transfer from this location into the uterus. Okay, this we are demonstrating. See, by moving this light, we can actually make the LED or the egg move from this location to the uterus. The menstrual cycle begins with a menstrual bleeding. Once the bleeding stops, the uterus lining becomes thick and begins to prepare for a possibility of pregnancy. After releasing the egg at day 14, the egg arrives at the ampular isthmic junction. It's here, where it rests for another 30 hours. Fertilization occurs in the portion of the tube. In this portion of the tube, once the sperm enters the uterus, once the egg enters the uterus, the sperm also enters the uterus. Once the sperm enters the uterus, the contractions propel the sperm upward into the fallopian tube. The fallopian tube pushes the egg into the uterus. The surrounding cell of the egg produces a chemical that attracts the sperm. Now the sperm that is attached to the egg releases chromosomes from its nucleus with egg nucleus. It is the blueprint for a whole new unique baby. If the egg is not fertilized, the egg breaks down and the hormonal changes signal the uterus is prepared to shed its lining. This is the lining which it shed. Bringing us back to day 1 of the menstrual cycle.